that sound? It's in Toronto. This is in Toronto. I don't know if it's the mysterious noises that we've been hearing all around the world or not. Coming from over there. Strange stuff has been happening around. Getting close to Christmas 2016. My gut tells me that something big's gonna happen before 2017, before Obama leaves that office. Mark my words. Hillary Clinton, and they're all worse than any criminals around. And the elite, Rockefellers, Rothschilds, all of them. All of them. Controlling the mainstream media, trying to make alternative news, like as if they're the ones that are causing the problems. No, the government got too big. I'm not against nobody that wants to be in charge, but I am against those that don't like to do the right thing. You have to do the right thing. Take care of the people. God bless. Get to know Jesus Christ.